So this is what we're dealing with here outside. Out here, we've always had it like this. And then this is our door. There's my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, you. So, we have this big, gigantic room, which was my brother's room. I think it's like 12. I think it's 12 by 15. Oh, this is the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks before it's like a tiny little... This door, which leads to our room, and this is what I said. The other door outside is, oh, you can't see it because the mattress for my brother is right there. Right there. So we have two doors in our bedroom. That one goes outside and then one goes into the bathroom that connects to my brother's room, and it's like this. But what we want to do, we want to take this out already. We're going to build a big square. I'm going to put the floor plan right here so you guys can get an idea of what we're trying to do. But from here, day 4. So this is what they got done so far. They took all of this down. The cement that was right there, like a little step, they took that down already. Door to her room. Window, I don't know if I showed you before. And then the skylight. It's blue. I don't know why, but it's cool. And then here's the door to go into my mom's garden. Yeah, and then here's basically where the washer and dryer are gonna be. They did advance more this week. And got all of this situated already, and then they still need the bathroom. They've got this installed already. Hopefully this is all taken care of in 2 weeks. And then for the rooms, it's not much, looks the same. This is going to be my brother's room. There is power in here now, so they can just easily connect their things and they just get on to their job. Next to him is my room. I got 2 windows, which I'm excited for because the lighting is going to be A1.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big.